So this is about, as I took this up a case study just because I work in the healthcare industry. So what we look in the healthcare industry, what is our aim? When a patient comes to a healthcare, our institute, hospital, we first want to know about the demographic information. Everything is, we get the data from them. And then what most important thing we need to know is their history of diagnosis, whether they are coming with any kind of cancer, because ours is a cancer hospital. So whether they had cancer prior history, how long they have been having this cancer. Then if they are, then what is their social, how are they keeping at present? Are they doing well, or they're really severely ill? Then we look for their vital statistics, like people can be obese, or many, they go through different, if you have any kind of illnesses, then their vitals differ most regularly. So that's what important information we need to know. Then we need to know what are the medications they are on. Then we need to know what the labs here, we mean what are the blood works they have done over this period since they were diagnosed with the cancer, or even if they're not diagnosed before, what are the labs they have done in the past years. And if there's any other specific information, we need to know from them. So in the healthcare, we do focus on the right living, right care, right provider, right value, right treatment. These are the key essential factors of the, and all this is based on the data. The more the data we have, the more better outcome, the better treatment procedure the doctors can provide. They can forecast more about the treatment procedure. It's the data which we get is that is more helpful for healthcare operations, healthcare data, skills, and any kind of technologies. Then it's opportunities in the healthcare. We do preventive care, studying drug efficacy, and then tracking mechanism is there, health trade analysis, virtual care. These are all database. Where is this all data coming from? Data are coming from different sources for healthcare industry. We get it from the smartphones, we get it from the search engine, from pharmaceutical companies, from payroll records, from genomic sequencing, health records. There are different kind of data sources are there from which we get the data. Nowadays, because mostly due to pandemic, we have like telehealth also is going on. So all these are coming from different sources. All this data is important for the healthcare industry. Responsibilities of data analysis, data mining, as I said, database maintaining, preparation, collaboration, preparing records, and there are several, once we build the databases and do a data analysis, we come across different kind of problems. So those problems are usually we do troubleshooting. So what we started as the patient data is a real-time structured data. What is our end plan is the targeted action is to have a development of a medication based on all the data we collected at the beginning. And then the doctors can predict the better outcome of that medication on that particular patient. This is about the real-time applications. This is in the cancer research hospital, researching cures for cancer, conducting early disease detection. Then from there, we have the telehealth services to manage better financial and data. We don't want to lose money just by the company does not want to lose money by doing analysis, but there is no better outcome of that. So you need to also check on the financial errors and the risk involved with it. So this is about the fun time in everyday life. We use data to predict trends in various things, as I said. It's in clothing, in dining, or weather, as Madam Pugh was saying. She mentioned about the weather, so that's very important to predict the future trends about the weather. 60,000 search queries in Google every second. Then we have e-commerce. Nowadays, we shop online through Amazon, through various other e-commerce network sites. So that is also are all data driven. So these are, and also electronic health medical records are very important in the healthcare system. So these are all about data. Without data, we can't accomplish a single thing in our day-to-day life. Then we use we use speech recognition. As you know, Google Voice, Siri, they are becoming increasingly popular. We have the translator, like you have a different dialect, I have a different dialect, but we can always converse. If you say something in Telugu, the Google Voice can translate it, and I will be able to know in my language or in English. So that's what is, all these data are inbuilt into the system. That's how we get this information. The companies like FedEx, DHL, UPS, they all have their data inputs in their organization, so they can have a better efficiency, operational efficiency, so they can reach their products in quick time. Then we have all major game developers like sports, EA Sports, in Nintendo, Sony. They all use data science to take the gaming experience to another level. So the games which you play are all based on the coding behind the data. Different agencies use data science technologies in different ways, including forecasting, to go natural disasters, to global warming. So every other field of life, you will see data. And that's all about my presentation.